And now, as a public service announcement, the 701 presents Splendor in the Nature.
Gobble, gobble, baby, huh?
Nothing is as miraculous as a new generation being created.
You ever seen a fan like this? Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Splendor in the Nature takes an in-depth look at the mating habits of the wild turkey and the splendor of the nature around.
Look at me strut. Baby, you like what you see, huh?
Hey, everybody, the turkeys are doing it.
Hey, these spurs don't just jingle, jangle, jingle, baby, if you know what I'm talking about. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
The turkeys are doing it, boss. The turkeys are doing it.
Hey, guys, the turkeys are doing it. Would you look at them go? They're doing it. Look at them. Get your ass up here.
Come on, man. Give us a show. That's right.
What's going on here?
That's right. That's the stuff. Really, give it to your old boy.
That's the way you do it, right?
Say, I'm going to have to take that technique back home to the wife. Hey, boys? Hey.
I got a little show. All right, who'll give me
What's going on here?
hatchlings here. Who's going to get it? Who hatchlings here? He's got the stuff in his ruff. That's right. Who's going to do it?
You should be ashamed of yourself, you heathenish turkeys.
Yeah, the turkey. Come on, man. Give us a show. That's right.
The turkey's doing it. That's right, the turkeys are doing it.